Example number 2. So girls, kindly read.
The difference between two numbers is 45. The larger number is 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. Find the two numbers.
Okay, step number 1, analyze the given problem. O, Tagalogin natin. So first, ano yung difference? Minus. So pag pinag-minus mo daw anak, yung dalawang number equal daw sa 45. O, magma-minus naman tayo ngayon. Next, the larger number. Ano yung larger number? Yung pinakamalaking number. Kasi ang hinahanap anak, 2 numbers ulit. So, yung pinakamalaking number daw ay 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. Now, the question is, binigay ba si smaller number? Hindi. So, yun po yung una. Let x be the smaller number. And then, dito sa smaller number, magbe-base tayo dyan para makuha natin yung expression sa larger number. Ano sabi dito sa larger number? Yung larger number daw ay ano? 5. Ano po ba yung less than? Minus. Okay, 5 less than 3 times. 3 beses na mas mataas. Saan daw? Sa smaller number. Ano yung smaller number? X. O, ano kaya yung magiging expression natin dyan? 3 times. 3 times, what is the smaller number? X. So, 3 times X less than minus 5. O, that is the second number. The larger number is 3x minus 5. Bakit naging 3x minus 5? Less than 5, 5, less than. Pag sinabi anak less than, gumamit ng word na than, yung number na tinukoy, doon na siya sa second term. Okay, this will become 5 less than 3 times, o 3 beses na mas malaki saan? Sa smaller number. Minus 5. So, this is the larger number. Then after that, step number 3 na po, we need to form an equation. Balik tayo sa statement number 1. Okay, sa first sentence. The difference, anong operation gagamitin? Ima-minus daw po natin yung dalawang number. At dapat daw equal saan? Okay, meaning ima-minus natin si larger number kay smaller number. This will become 3x minus the smaller number equal saan? Sa 45. Ito yung equation natin ngayon. Then step number 4, solve. O, how to solve? May parenthesis tayo. May number ba sa left side niya? Wala. Tanggalin na lang natin yung parenthesis niya. Ito na po siya. Then after that, combine similar terms. O, what are similar terms here? 5 and 45. Another. Sa left side muna, anak. 3x and x. Just subtract. 3x minus x. 2x. And then, minus 5 is equal to 45. Then after that, eliminate letter B. What is letter B? Negative 5. O, get the additive inverse. Positive 5. Anong property yon? Addition property of equality. So, plus 5, cancel. Ganun din dito, plus 5. Then, simplify. Anong natira sa left? 2x. And then, 45 plus 5. Okay, then what property na ang i-apply? Division property. Divide both side of the equation by 2. This will become, cancel, 50 divided by 2. Okay, very good. The value of x is 25. And that is the smaller number. Now, how to identify the larger number? Sa x anak dito, papalitan lang natin ng 25. O, the larger number, 3x minus 5. Ito po yun. Sa x, papalitan na natin ng 25 kasi nakuha na natin yung exact value niya. So, this will become 3 times 25 minus 5. O, 3 times 25. 75 minus 5. Okay, therefore, the larger number is 70 and the smaller number is 25. Paano malalaman kung tama? I-minus natin. Kailangan ano makukuha? 45. O, 70 minus 25. Okay, therefore, the value of x is correct. 9.